Previously, we discussed about resolving partial fraction using cover-up method. Now, I want to use identity system. So what do I mean? I'm going to break this into two parts. Not knowing what the numerators are, I will use one of these terms, which is x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the LCM of this and cross multiply. So I'm going to have something like this: a times x plus 2, then plus b multiply x plus 1, then all over x plus 1, and then x plus 2. Now take note, this 5x plus 7, x plus 1, and x plus 2, they are equivalent or having identity system with ax plus 2 plus b bracket x plus 1 over x plus 1 and then x plus 2. So what I will do now is, for them to have identity property, the value of the numerator for both sides must be equal, but this will already cancel this out. So I'm going to have 5x plus 7 will give you a bracket x plus 2 plus b bracket x plus 1. So what do? I want to get the value of a first. So I will equate x equals to minus 1. So at x equals to minus 1, I will have 5 bracket minus 1 plus 7. Give me a bracket minus 1 plus 2 plus b bracket minus 1 plus 1. So this will collapse. So what I'll be having here is minus 5 plus 7 will be equals to a. Therefore, a is equals to 2. Now, the same identity, I will use x, equate x plus 1 to 0. So if I have x plus 1 equals 0, my x will be minus 1. So to get the value of b, I'm going to substitute x plus 2 equals to 0. So my x will be equals to minus 2. So I want to get the value of b. So what I'll do now, I'll write 5x plus 7 will give me a bracket x plus 2 plus b bracket x plus 1. So I'll put x equals to minus 2. So this will be 5 minus 2 plus 7 will give us a. If I put minus 2 here plus 2, I'll have 0. And I'll have b minus 2 plus 1. So this will be minus 10 plus 7. The whole of this will be 0. And then I'll have minus b. So this is minus 3 equals minus b. This implies that b will give you 3. So if you look at this now, you can see that my 5x plus 7 divided by x plus 1 and then x plus 2, my a is 2 over x plus 1 plus my b is 3, over x plus 2. So if you check our previous video, you see that even if you use the cover-up method, you'll still get the same answer when you use the identity method. So that is for this video. In our next video, I will post another solution for comparing of coefficients, though the system looks similar, but they are quite different.